Got a new tool for the shed. Bauer Benchtop Planer. 15 amps, 940 RPMs. It cuts the maximum of 12.5 inches wide board. I think it cuts like 6 inches, 6 inches depth on it. Been wanting one of these. It's going to be a great addition to the shop. Comes with the manual. Always read a manual before you operate a tool. Be smart. Don't hurt yourself. I've got a knob here. I'll get back to you. Pack it good. Some styrofoam. I'm sure the dog will tear that up later. Okay. Nice inside the view, inside the box view, packed up pretty good. It's heavy. It's good. It's good that it's heavy. That means it's well made. Let me get this puppy out. Oh my goodness gracious. Got a bad back, you might want to watch it if they're on the heavier side. Got it from Harbor Freight. It's got some pretty good reviews. Seen some good reviews on YouTube about it. So what I'm going to use it for is just basically some planing some boards down to make soundboards and maybe a few instruments and stuff like that. So I'm not doing professional carpentry here, so I don't need a $6,000 planer, you know. Some extra stuff. That looks like oh yeah, here's the dust tray. Most important, because I said these things make a mess. Folds up nice. I like that. Go ahead and bust the wheel out. Looks like they got the cutter resting on some styrofoam. There we go. There's the flat side. Oh, we got some motion. Pretty nice. I don't see no blockages in it. Back tray. Put on some air protection and fire it up and see if it runs, you know. Circuit breaker. And switch. Speed direction. Just a mirror protection. Always protect your ears. Your ears and your eyes. I'm not cutting it, so I figure I need to do that. Woo! Definitely wear some ear protection. That thing is loud, but most of them's loud, so. Adjusting the trays. Definitely got some adjusting to do. A couple good videos on the web about adjusting the trays to help cut down on snipe. If you don't know what snipe is where when you feed the board, the rollers catch it and the blade catch it and it bites down, right? So it cuts off a little extra on each side. A couple good videos on how to do that by straightening and leveling the tray, bumping the tray up just a little bit. So, definitely going to get my money out of this. Definitely going to do some boards in it. Definitely plan on taking, excuse me, definitely taking some poplar wood right here, and probably take this and plane it down to where I get it thin enough to where I can use it for my soundboards and stuff like that. You know, definitely. When you get into this size like this, right, and you're trying to get this down just a little bit thinner, just for a good soundboard, I figured this is going to be a good machine to do it. Definitely hook it up, do some test runs and stuff on it. Do a video later once I learn how to properly use it, get some scrap wood, figure out what the hell I'm doing with this thing. So the handle screws on with the little Allen wrench that comes with it. You just pop the cover off and put that on and put it back. Also, the 2 screws for the dust panel uses the Allen wrench, so that's pretty cool. All the stuff you need comes with the machine. So the dust cover goes right here. I was reading these things do make a mess. So basically, for under $350, this was one of the better units from the reviews and videos and stuff like that I've read about. I almost went with a D-Watt. I think 745 is probably like the equivalent close to this, but it was like 449. So like I said, I'm not going to be doing no really professional work with this, so I'm going to be using it basically just homemade instruments and stuff like that. So a hobbyist, you know, I was trying to go with the more least expensive, but yet good quality. But, you know, go to Harbor Freight and look at the reviews on it. And you know, for the money, it seems like you can't lose with this.